Let me start by showing you how it works on a desktop. On the right of the screen is the map. You can zoom in or out with the plus or minus symbols on the keyboard, or you can move the map around by grabbing it with your mouse. Each location shared is called a step, and you'll see them as pins on the map. Click them, and you can see what the various steps are. To add your own, click the New Step button. Now I'm adding one here for one of our favorite attractions on the Emerald Coast of Florida's Panhandle, the Gulfarium. I type that in, and most times, like here, the map returns an address. Click it, and then just enter your description. Click Post to save it. Then you're asked to select some tags that identify what it's about and that help others who search for those tags find it on the map. In this case, add museum, beach, because it's on the beach, animals and wildlife, RV route, and Florida. Then note how the map grabs photos from Google so others can then see what it's like. Now that's the desktop way to use the map, but the real power is in the app that you load on your smartphone. You can search the App Store for Steps Map Your World or directly from the RVLifestyle.com interactive map page. On the bottom right, click on the View Map on the Steps app. Fill in your phone number, and then you'll get a direct text link sent to your phone. Click that, and then you can download the map and create an account. The app works a lot like the desktop, but it is so handy when you're on the move. Jennifer will show you that part.
On the app, here's how to add a step to your map. Enter your map either through the map link or find it on the search engine on the app home screen. Now click on Post, click on Where do you want to post, and start typing a name of a location. I'm going to choose Convict Lake Campground in California. Now you can share your thoughts about this place. You can either upload your own photo on the bottom left of the screen or hit Post on the top right. Once you hit Post on the top right, it'll import photos from Google Maps. Now that I've created my location, it's time to add some tags. Click on Convict Lake Campground and add tags. I'm going to add campground and dry camping. Then I'll click on Save on the top right, and my step is good to go. Happy mapping.
All right, here's one more little lesson, how to use the tags to find exactly what you're looking for on your map. Click on your map and scroll through the tags at the top. You can find more by clicking the More button on the top right, or you can click on the bottom left button. Here's where you can scroll through the categories and find the exact tags that you're looking for. I'm going to choose campgrounds with a hookup, and I'll click on Show Results on the bottom. And now I can find all of the steps on my map of campgrounds that have a hookup. Pretty cool, huh? Again, this is all free and open to everyone. So please add your favorites, campgrounds, boondocking spots, hiking trails, fun roadside attractions, great places to eat. Together, we can make this RV Lifestyle interactive travel map a great resource for the entire RV Lifestyle community.